Hi guys, this is Vijay from Seven Booths. Today we'll see how to optimize a blog on a website. So this website is Hotel Coral Digha, which is, as the name suggests, it's a hotel in Digha. So today we'll be choosing a topic which is Talsari Beach. So we'll be writing a blog or we'll be publishing a blog on Talsari Beach. So let's log into the backend of the website. So this is the website backend, WordPress. So we go to post section, we go to add new post. Alright, so it's loading. Now meanwhile, we have the content already. We already have the content here. So I can see the content writer gave me this topic, Talsari, one of the best seaside resort town of the Northeast. So this was quite a clumsy type of title which I found. So what I did that I resized or I rewrote the title of the blog as Talsari Beach, an unexplored beach town near Digha. So the benefit we'll be getting is that Digha is one of my keyword and somewhere hotel will be used, so it will help me in ranking. So let's copy this headline. Go here. So this is the title of my blog. Whenever you use the blog title, try to use a unique topic or headline. Why? Because if you search for Talsari Beach here, I'll just show you one example. Now it will give you what sort of topic people have used to create a blog or a page. So try to have a unique and catchy title for your blog. Alright, so here, let's see. So this is my blog topic. Now I have already optimized the blog here. So to maintain the silo structure, we have to use heading tags properly, keywords and all that. So here, let's copy this content. Okay, I'm going to the website backend now. Let's go to this text mode, paste. Come back to this section. Now I will justify the text here. So now you can see this is how my blog has been posted here. Now I have to make some graphical presentation. I have to make some graphical changes. So let's choose this as headline 2. So I'm choosing this as headline 2. Again, I'll choose this as headline 2. One landing page can have multiple H2 tags, but H1 tag should be only one. Since your blog topic is already in H1, you don't have to use it. Now let's see, I'll choose this in H3. Alright. Now we have to choose the focus keyword for this blog. So let's see, I'll use Talsari Beach as my focus keyword. Now you can see Google or the Yoast SEO plugin that we have used to optimize this website is giving me an average rating here. So you can see they have marked me down. So no meta description, no image appear on this website. Rest all the points are green. So your focus keyword should appear on the title, in heading tags, in body contents and all that. So you have to maintain this. Don't keep the URL too long, the slug of the website, the page or the blog. Okay. So this is just done. Now what I will do is that let's copy. Okay, it's already there in my URL. Now I'll make this as my SEO title. So this is my SEO title. Now it's time to use a meta description. Now meta description plays a very crucial role, and try to keep the meta description sync with your title. So searching, let me see what could be the description for this blog. So Talsari Beach is an unexplored beach town near Digha. Hotel Coral can organize sightseeing okay, let me just sightseeing at affordable cost. Book hotel Coral now this winter season. Okay, so now my meta description is ready, my title is ready, my focus keyword is ready. Now let's see what are the things missing. So it says that image is missing on this blog page. So I have already developed the image. So let me just upload the image. So here we'll use two images. One will be your featured image. So let's click on this one, featured section. Now I have to upload the image. Let's go to this download section. Okay, so this is my image. Try to maintain a consistency when using the image. So for example, I am maintaining the resolution of this image is 520 into 260. So Talsari beach near Digha, hotels in Digha, resorts in Digha, Hotel Coral. Now this is the image title and this is my alt tag. Always ensure use a relevant alt tag in your image. Now we also need to add one more image to make it visually attractive. So let's say I'll use the image here. So I'll again go to media section, select the image. Okay, so this is my image. So this image is loading. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now again, as we said, always ensure to use the focus keyword in your image as well. Okay, now you can do the text image alignment where you want to display this image, center, left, right. So I'll keep it in center. I'll give the landing page URL. So if anyone clicks on this image, they will be redirected to my this particular page. Okay, so this is my image size. Now my image will be added here. So let's see till the time it's shows. Let the image get uploaded here. So see the image, Talsari an unexplored beach town near Digha. Now couple of more things. Now try to do some interlinking. So for example, if I am choosing hotels in Digha as one of my word or one of my anchor text, so I'll link it with my home page. Apply. Now where else we can use the keyword? Let's see, or where else we can link the word. Now Talsari beach, Digha tourism in Digha. So as far as I remember, I have used one blog on Digha tourism. So let's see, Digha tourism. Okay, let me see. This will display the pages where Digha tourism has been used. So let me just check that out. So for example, I'm linking this Digha tourism with a page which is top tourist attraction Digha. Or no, let me use something else. No, I don't want to use this one. Let me use something else. Okay, rejoice yourself, Vichitrapur. Okay, all right. Let's use Digha tourism. This one, top myths about Digha tourism. So I'll choose this blog topic, and I will link it there. Control K, paste, and done. And always use a category of the blog. So Digha tourism is the category of the blog. So guys, now you can see all the portion is green. So my blog is properly optimized and it's good. Now we just have to do one thing. We just need to share this blog using few platforms to make it popular. So that is called content marketing. So that's all guys. Publish, and you can check this blog on hotelcoraldigha.com. Thank you.